Hello, Applied Calculus, Math 150. So we are working on this worksheet, 4.4 application. We did the outboard motor problem. We did this one with the mountain bikes. And now we're going to talk about pizzas. And we're going to have data given to us instead of a function. It's been a while, or I'm not even sure if we've done this quite yet in this class. Here we go. The table gives the total daily costs in dollars of producing pepperoni pizzas at various production levels. I hear that pepperoni pizza is the most popular pizza in the United States. We're supposed to use the stat quadratic regression feature of the calculator to find the cost function, which represents the data, round to 2 decimal places. So to do this on your calculator, we are going to get the calculator out. Right? So we're using the stat. That's what it says. So we've used that stat button before. Let me clear this. And hit stat and calculate. What? No, we don't. We go to edit, enter, and then you have these two lists here. List 1 and list 2. We've done this with just finding the price function. Now we're going to look at putting in this data into list 1. So you put this one into list 1 and this one into list 2. So go ahead and pause this and put all of your data in here. So I've got my pizzas. If you sell 50 pizzas, your cost is $395. 100 pizzas, $475, and so on. So put in all those ordered pairs. Now, once you put in the order pairs, we're going to quit, second quit, and it is telling you that this is a quadratic that creates a nice quadratic function. So what we're going to do, we've only done linear in here, if I can remember right. Too bad you're not here to tell me, yes, we've done this before, or no, we haven't. It's just been a while. So I'm going to go stat, go to calculate. I'm sorry about the angle here, but we've worked with the linear regression before. Right below the linear regression is the quadratic regression. Surprise! They have all kinds of regression here. You got cubic, quartic, linear regression backwards, logarithmic regression, exponential regression, power regression. Okay, let's go back. Well, we're not going to do this. We're just going to do quadratic regression right now. And you push that. And some of you have this, but you enter, as long as you put it in at list 1 and list 2, enter, 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 enter. Voila. It's giving you a quadratic. Ax squared plus bx plus c. And your a is this, and your b is this, and your c is that. And I'm asking you to round to 2 decimal places, so I'm going to put 0.01x squared, and then the 0.78x, and c I'm going to leave as 316. All right, so I wrote this down from the stat feature of the calculator, and now I have my cost function. It says to write it as C of x. So that was part A. That's it. Good. Now part B, use C of x and calculate. And calculus, I always have to say calculus, otherwise people use other ways to find the minimum average cost. Now here's the word, average cost. We want to minimize average cost, that cost per pizza. So what we're going to do is first find the average cost function. All we have right now is the cost function. Remember, average cost is divided by x. So this is really part B here. And then I did that little where it's just divisible by x, or division by x. I'm just going to divide each one by x. Get the 0.01x plus 0.78 plus 316x to the negative 1. Take the derivative. It's very familiar if you looked at the other videos. Write that as 316 over x squared. Put that to the right side. Cross multiply. And then you get 0.01x squared equals 316. You remember what I said here? Make sure you divide by 0.01 on both sides before you square root. People who square root first run into all kinds of problems. And you get 178 pizzas. It's 177 point something. So about 178 pizzas. And it's looking for minimum average cost. This is giving you the minimum. So it's going from decreasing to increasing. So I'm going to plug it into my average cost function, and I plugged it into this one right there. So remember to hit enter after you put in the top and then divide by 170. And I'm getting 4.34 because we're talking about money. So I'm going to say at a production level of about 178 pizzas, the average cost is at a minimum, you want to put that into your sentence, of $4.34 per pizza. All right, see you on the next section.